Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to install Google Translate as an app. So to start, open any browser, then go ahead and search for Google Translate, press enter, then click the first one that appears. Now from here, what you need to do is to go to the top right, then click the three dots. So you should see the three dots from there, click on it. Then what you need to do next is to scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. So go to Cast, Save, and Share. Then from here, look for Install Page as App. Then click on that. You can rename the app. Then click on Install to confirm the action. Once you click Install, it will be installed as an app right away. Now, if you're using Microsoft Edge, so you can go to Microsoft Edge, then search for Google Translate, then scroll down and click this link. Then again, click the three dots at the top right. Then go to More Tools. Then from here, go to Apps. So look for Apps. Then click Install this site as an app. So click on that, rename the app, and click Install. Then click on Allow, and that's it. Super simple. If you want to pin this to your taskbar, just right click on the app, then click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to unpin it, right click again, then click Unpin from Taskbar. If you want to uninstall it, just click the three dots right here. So you should see Uninstall Google Translate in here. But if you can't see it, you can go to Start menu and go to Settings. Then go to Apps, go to Installed Apps, then search for Google Translate, press Enter. Then from here, once it appears, go to the three dots. So click the three dots and click Uninstall. Then click Uninstall once more, and that's it. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.